quick preview of the pan mechanism. We've got a continuous rotation servo like this one, but without the GoPro head on the top. That is basically, the head is glued onto a CD. There's a CD underneath to give it stability. If it rocks, then it will rest on the CD, not break the spindle of the servo. And there's a bit of computer duct which I had lurking around, and that will then sit in a mount on the dashboard. So this will be fitted on the dashboard or put on the tripod. So that will drop into there, and basically now I've got my servo control here, and we literally can have the pan tilt, so the pan from side to side, and then the camera with pan tilt mechanism will be available on there. And now let's turn this into a proper machine. Thank you.